Now, just as I mentioned, how we read the hadith of Musalsal bit Tamari wal Ma, how they preserved that. When he narrated this hadith to me, he gave us dates and water. We have so endless stories of how the muhaddithun exerted extreme effort in preserving the hadith. Even in the sanad. So the same hadith, Innamal a'malu binniyat. If you look at this hadith in Imam Nasa'i, his book, he has a chain, and he has an interesting chain. He says here, he goes to Hammad, and then he says here, so I narrated it from Hammad and Harith ibn Miskin. Yes, so he says, I got my teachers Yahya ibn Habib and the Arabi from Hammad. And from Hammad, I have how many teachers? From Hammad, and he narrated from Hammad and also who? Harith ibn Miskin. He could have said that's enough. But he didn't suffice on Harith ibn Miskin. He said, Qira'atan alayhi wa ana asma. And what's this? Qira'atan alayhi wa ana asma. He heard it, but his integrity was such that he says, what happened? He says that between Imam Nasa'i rahmatullahi alayhi, Imam Nasa'i rahmatullahi alayhi and his ustad, Harith ibn Miskin, something happened. There's different variation, different riwayah. What happened? So the teacher said, I don't want you in my class. Don't sit in front of me. I don't want you in my class. There's different narrations regarding what happens. So what he said that he would still attend the lesson. Teacher said, I don't want you in class, but he still attended. But how would he attend? He would sit somewhere where the teacher can't see. He would sit where the teacher can't see. But when he narrated the hadith, he didn't say, Akhbarani, Haddathani. What did he say? He said everything as it was. Because I wasn't in the gathering, Qira'atan alayhi, somebody was reading to him. I wasn't actually in the gathering, but I could hear. So even then, he would put this part in the chain to make sure that this is how I heard the hadith. It's not just somebody said, and paraphrase, summarize, and translate. To such extent, they went to make sure that the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they would transmit it, and be such precaution in this.